In this video I'll show you how to set up your own Google account. So what we'll do, we will set up a new Gmail account. If you already have a Gmail, or if you have a Yahoo Mail or whatever, that is fine. You can go ahead and use your Yahoo Mail or your already existing Gmail, whatever you have. I just happen to like Gmail very much, and for this purpose I want to set up a new Gmail account, because you will probably get spammed. So what you'll do is you will click on create an account right here, and then you'll simply just fill in the different boxes here. It is pretty self-explanatory, so I'll go ahead and do that now, and I will pause the video while I do so. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, welcome back. So now I've typed in all my information, and what I'll do is click I accept, create my account. Oh. And here we are. Congratulations. You have just set up your own Google account. You are now the proud owner of a Gmail account. So that's it. Go ahead and set up your own Gmail account right now.